Hi guys! So nandito tayo ngayon sa backstage dahil mag-start na po ang aming cast reveal for My Husband is a Mafia Boss. So we're so excited and of course sobrang kinakabahan. Lalo na ako. Kasi syempre, sana magustuhan ng mga tao yung makikita nila ngayong araw na to. So yeah, we're hoping and praying na sana magustuhan niyo po. Para sa inyo lahat yun. Para medyo ma-excite naman kayo. So yeah, surprise! Surprise! Ang saya, di ba?
Grabe, sobrang halo-halo po yung nararamdaman ko right now.
I'm very excited but also super nervous.
Ay, grabe. Medyo kabado eh. Oh, tagal na natin itong inaantay, no?
Sobra. Ilang months din ng tinik neto.
I'm pretty sure na kapag na-reveal na, you know, they're gonna get the satisfaction that they want.
Yes, patungkol to sa isang sweet girl na makikilala niya itong boss ng mafia na Steven na si Zigna, very cold-hearted.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for being here.
I'm so excited to be here today and we made it, guys! Enjoy! Thank you so much!
Are you all ready to enter the dangerous world of mafia? I can't see you guys. Let's do this.